Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth earbuds connected but no sound on Mac. So if your Bluetooth earbuds is showing as connected but still can't hear any sound, the problem is often that your Mac is still sending audio to different output device. This can happen after connecting a new headphones or switching between multiple audio devices. The good news is that you can usually fix this issue by selecting the correct output device in your Mac sound settings. So to fix it, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now go to Sound and under Output section, look for your Bluetooth earbuds in the list of output devices and click on them to make them the active audio output. Next, check the output volume slider and make sure it is not all the way left or muted. If the slider is all the way to left, you can't hear any sound. And if you are still not hearing any sound, disconnect your Bluetooth earbuds and reconnect them again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.